Hey guys, this is Evan from Easy Origami, and today I'll be teaching you how to fold a paper dart from a sticky note. I've gotten a ton of requests for this video recently, so I figured I'd put together a quick tutorial. All you need to do is prepare a single square sheet of paper, and a sticky note will actually work really well. And I'm going to be using slightly larger paper with color on one side and white on the other, just to make it a bit easier to follow along. But if you're using a sticky note, then you want to hold the sticky side facing up along this right edge here. And we're going to start by folding in half horizontally. So take this bottom edge and fold it up to the top edge. Align the corners and the edges, then make your crease, and then unfold. And now we're going to fold up this bottom right corner by aligning the bottom part of this right edge with the horizontal crease that we just made. So we're going to do that by lifting up this bottom right corner. Then we want to start on the right side of the paper and work our way over to the left, aligning the edge with that crease. Once the entire edge is aligned, then you can make your crease. And now we're going to fold up this diagonal folded edge and align it with the same horizontal crease. And we're going to do that by again lifting up this bottom right corner. And we want to start at the right side of the paper and work our way over to the left until the entire diagonal edge is aligned with that horizontal crease. And then you can make your crease through all layers. And then we're going to fold up the bottom half of the model along the same horizontal crease. So we're just going to pull it up like this. And then you can flatten everything out. And then we're going to fold up this bottom portion once again, but this time along this diagonal folded edge here. So we're just going to lift up the bottom portion of the model and fold it up along that edge. And then you can make a sharp crease through all layers. Then we're going to fold the paper over once again along this diagonal folded edge here. So we're just going to lift up the bottom portion of the model and fold it over to the right, just like we did before. Then you can flatten out the paper and crease through all layers. And then we're going to fold this extra flap over to the left as far as it goes. So just make your crease along this right edge here. Then we're going to slightly rotate the paper. And now we're basically going to fold the entire model in half. And we're going to do that by folding up this bottom edge and aligning it with this top diagonal edge here. So we just want to bring both of those edges together. And I like to start at this right corner and work my way over to the left. You really want the paper to come to a point at this right corner here. So just try to line up the layers like this. Then keep working your way over to the left until both of those edges are aligned. And then you can make a sharp crease through all layers. And once you've done that, then you've finished your origami dart. And to throw it, you want to hold the dart upside down with the point facing towards you. Then you want to hold it with your pointer fingers by pushing together a little more than halfway down from the top. Then you want to flip your hands upside down so that the dart is facing away from you. And you want to slightly push your two fingers together and launch it in that direction. And it does fly pretty quickly, so have fun, but be careful with it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And of course, subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.